Well, here we are, a nice afternoon and evening, looking over one of our places of worship here in Lethbridge, and you can see partly cloudy sky, and it's going to remain that way into this evening. Let's take a look at the current conditions. You can see that we're 3 degrees with some cloud, a west wind at 43 kilometers per hour, so blustery, but not that strong, and it's going to die off somewhat tonight. You can see temperatures around southern Alberta now. Well, in the foothills areas, mostly in the low single numbers. As you get a little bit further east, Drumheller in the Red River Valley, -3, and we'll slowly see our temperatures drop below the freezing point. Now, most of the cloud associated with the disturbance that brought the cold front through here during the day is to the north and northeast, and there has been some snow with it. You can see if we tighten up on our radar shot that most of the snow associated with that disturbance is now in central Alberta and exiting eastward towards western Saskatchewan, and things should remain dry for the next little while. Computer forecaster will take us over the next few days, show some snow. As you can see in central Alberta, this is a little overdone. And you can see that it also wants to bring us under some cloud and even a few flurries from Lethbridge here down to Milk River on Highway 4 around midday. I don't think that's likely. I think that as that moves east, though, we will see more sunshine tomorrow afternoon. It also wants to bring in some snow late in the evening on Thursday, but that's probably going to pass by, and then during the day Friday is when we'll actually start to see the snow developing as temperatures get colder. Across the country, it was mild in Atlantic Canada, 7 in St. John's and Halifax, 5 degrees in Moncton, a little cooler across the rest of eastern Canada, -1 in Montreal, -3 in Ottawa, -2 in Toronto, 0 in Windsor, and across the southern prairies it was mild today but cooler further north. We've got -2 in Winnipeg currently, 3 in Regina, -8 in Saskatoon, -12 in Edmonton, 6 in Kelowna, 7 degrees in Vancouver, and in the north it's cold, between -20 currently in Yellowknife to a frigid -30 in Inuvik. So here's the way the forecast looks for the next 24 hours for the East Kootenay areas. Expect to see a few afternoon flurries, a high of 1, a light south wind under cloudy skies. The Crow's Nest Pass tomorrow, we'll see partly cloudy skies, maybe some flurries in the morning, moderate west wind gusting to 50 and a high of -1. For Medicine Hat, expect to see a mainly sunny sky. Could be some flurries tomorrow evening and a high of 3 degrees with a light westerly wind. And for us in Lethbridge, more cloud in the morning, more sun in the afternoon. We should see a moderate west wind at 30 kilometers per hour and a high of 2 degrees. So if we take you through the next 5 days here, you can see tomorrow will probably be a nice day compared to what happens Friday and Saturday. Friday, the light snow will develop. We'll see a high of -7. More snow probably likely on Saturday as our high temperature only makes it to -9, but things do dramatically warm up towards the end of the weekend. We should be back up above the melting point for Sunday and especially Monday as the temperature gets close to 3 degrees. And here's today's tip. You know that those vitamins you take every day, they have an expiration date on the outside of the container. If you want the maximum benefit from your vitamins, pay attention to that expiry date. Jackie?